60% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency without going into debt. If that's you right now, this video is your exit plan. I'm going to give you 5 specific pillars to build a fully funded emergency fund as fast as possible, even if you're starting from zero. These aren't mindset tips, they're systems. Let's go. Without an emergency fund, any unexpected expense forces you to liquidate investments at the worst time. Markets often drop exactly during recessions, when job losses and emergencies are most likely, selling investments in a crash, locking in losses permanently. The emergency fund is your financial immune system. Build it before you build wealth. Exact order: emergency fund, pay high-interest debt, invest. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, not income. Essential expenses are rent or mortgage, food, utilities, transportation, insurance, and minimum debt payments. If your essential expenses are $3,000 a month, your emergency fund target is $9,000 to $18,000. If you have variable income or you're self-employed, aim for 6 months minimum. If you have a stable job with employer benefits, 3 months is often enough. Today, list your essential expenses and multiply by 3 or 6 if you want extra safety. Use sub-goals. Celebrate hitting 1, 2, and 3-month milestones, not just the final number. A regular savings account at Chase Bank of America pays 0.01% APY. A high-yield savings account, HISA, pays 4.5% APY, current rates 2026. On $15,000 emergency fund, regular savings, $150 year. HISA, $6,500 year. Best HISA accounts in 2026. Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ali Bank, Discover Online Savings, SoFi All FDIC insured up to $250,000. Completely safe, open online in 5 minutes. Link to checking account, transfer takes 1 to 2 business days. Keep it separate from checking. Out of sight, less temptation to spend. Manual saving gets skipped. Automation guarantees the saving. Set up an automatic weekly or monthly transfer from your checking to your HISA. Pay yourself first. Schedule the transfer the same day you get paid. Example, paid every 2 weeks. $300 per payday equals $7,800 a year automatically. Start with any amount, even $25 per transfer. Automate the habit. Increase the transfer amount every 3 months or whenever your income increases. Automation removes the decision. No willpower, no discipline required, just results. The average American has 12 active subscriptions totaling $219 per month. Cancel the 3 lowest usage subscriptions today. You'll likely free up $60 to $80 a month. Direct that money to your emergency fund. That's $720 to $960 per year added to savings. Food delivery averages $200 a month. Cook at home 4 days a week and save about $100 a month. Cutting one streaming service saves $15 to $20 a month. That's roughly $180 to $240 a year. This isn't permanent. It's a 6 to 12 month sprint to fund your financial foundation. Once your emergency fund is complete, you can restore whatever subscriptions you want. The most common mistake: starting to invest while having zero emergency fund. Scenario: $5,000 invested, no emergency fund, medical bill of $3,000, forced to sell investments. If market is down 20% when you need to sell, you lose $1,000 on the sale, plus you pay the medical bill. Cost of not having emergency fund, often $2,000 to $5,000 in forced losses. The exception: if your employer matches 401k contributions, contribute enough to get the full match while building your emergency fund. It's free money you can't get back. Otherwise, fully fund your emergency fund first, then invest. Here's your action list for this week. 1. Calculate your essential monthly expenses and multiply by 3. That's your minimum target. 2. Open a high-yield savings account if you don't have one already. Ally or Marcus, both free and online. 3. Set up one automatic transfer for next payday. 4. Cancel the subscription you use least. That's it. 4 actions this week. You'll thank yourself in 6 months. Subscribe to Wealthcode for the next step in building your financial foundation. And leave a comment. What's your emergency fund target number?